Sign up for my free ukulele course with the link down below. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele, so let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you guys this song in sections. I'll teach you guys the chords in those sections, and then we'll go right into doing a little play along. Okay, so let's start off with the intro and the verses, because those are the same chords. Alright, so the first chord for that is going to be an E to an S sharp minor to a C sharp minor. Actually, this is a C sharp minor 7 when you cover the whole thing. And then we're also going to play D. So E, S sharp minor, C sharp minor 7, and D. Alright, so the intro and the verse, basically the strumming and the chords that are the same. So I'm going to teach you guys the intro, which is very easy. And I'm going to use 1 and 2 counts. So it's going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So on that one, the D comes on the 2, on the second 2. So again, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that is the intro, and that's also going to be used for the verses. Now getting to the pre-chorus and the chorus, chords are A to E, D, and then when you make this chord, we're going to place our pinky right on the C string, the 3rd string, right under on the 5th fret. So, and that is the A flat minor. Okay, so A, E, D, and an A flat minor. Alright, so using those chords for the strum pattern, it's going to go, we're going to use a 2 count again, and then we're going to do 2 strums for each chord. So it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is the second time, and on the second one it's just D, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So on that second line, you're not going to play the A flat minor, just D. Alright, so now we got all that. We got the intro, verses, pre-chorus, chorus. Now let's go right into the play along.
So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.